In this class, grade 3 students used the math kits to learn addition with numbers up to 4 digits. They worked with counting number foam bases, square foam pieces, and straws to add numbers both with and without renaming. The learning objective was to demonstrate the importance of place value in addition, especially when regrouping is involved. In this activity, students explored how addition involves combining two quantities to form a larger one. They discovered that place value plays a key role, particularly when a sum in a lower place value carries over to a higher place value. Through hands-on materials, students gained a clearer understanding of how numbers change and regroup during addition.